What's going on, YouTubers? Check it out. Vortex. Most of you guys know what it is, right? The ones that don't, you'll find out. That's what it is. A cool new hat. Check it out. With a shaker of this, which I've been wanting to try. So this thing does wings on the grill, crispy. Supposedly like to deep fry them. There it is. Owensbbq. So we're gonna fire up the old kettle. Do some hot wings. Check it out. I'm about ready to buy a new one here, I think. It's old. But we're gonna fire it up. Do some chicken wings. Stay tuned. Take one of these lighter cubes. You can use the Vortex. You can light them in here too. It kind of works like a chimney, but I already have the charcoal chimney. Just let the coals get up. We'll make the buffalo sauce while we're waiting. Alright, here's my go-to buffalo sauce. We got about 4 tablespoons of margarine. You use butter if you want. I think that tastes better. We're going to melt this down. And we got a half a cup of Frank's original red hot sauce. This does like 15-20 wings, nice and wet. So if you want more, you can double it up. So we want a little bit of a couple shakes of onion powder. A little bit of garlic, some salt, about a tablespoon of this good apple cider vinegar. This stuff kicks it right up, I'm telling you. So we're gonna let this butter melt, and then we'll put the hot sauce in. All right, let's put the hot sauce in. Spare you all the racket, but we're just going to keep this on low. Let it stay warm till our wings are done. And this stuff is good, I'm telling you. Give it a shot. This is pretty good stuff right here. Just taste it on my hand. I'm going to probably do half of this in these, or in this. I usually do my wings, you know, plain. And let the buffalo sauce flavor them up. Trust me. Sometimes less is best, you know, but I'm going to try that on half of them. That's pretty good. It's got some heat to it. So I saw Booger 500 had these on there, and I tried them because of her. They're pretty good actually for pre-made sauces. This one's good. Pretty good flavor, and this one's pretty good too. Garlic Parmesan. I'm going to warm some of this up for a couple of them. And then the other ones will be buffalo. That'll probably be good with the ones sprinkled with this. I'll probably put in the Parmesan. That'll probably be good. This is a whole 4-pound bag of frozen wings, as you see. See how big they are now? They're so full of water, they're going to shrink way down. At least they do in the air fryer. But that's 4 pounds. So I'm going to pat them dry. Get the water off of them. They're still kind of frozen in the middle a little bit. But it's going to be alright. 19 wings, I'm surprised, man. That's not, I would have thought you'd get a little more. 4 pounds. Alright, I'm going to get this going a little early so I can burn the old junk off this grill. It's been sitting forever. More hands here. So y'all see that? I just want to do these basic. I don't want to put any oil or anything on the skin to see. I want to see if they come out crispy without any black magic. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're trying here. So we're going to put the lid on. Like I said, the bottom's all the way open, top is halfway. We started here 15 minutes, then we're going to rotate it 90 degrees, 15, 90, and it should take about an hour or so. We'll see. 30 minutes. We'll come back in 15, take a look at it. Oh, I forgot. We're going to put some oak right here in the center, and that's going to light fire because it's so hot right there. There we go. Now we're rocking. Check it out. We've got some avocados for first time. A few anyway, not many. But I see a couple. I'm so psyched. Couple there. Oh yeah. Up top, there's one somewhere right there. There's a few more here and there, but it was flower first year it's ever done anything, so I'm excited. Awesome. I don't know what kind it is, but it's been so easy to grow. Yum. Well, you can't leave your beer around. The flies will just eat you alive. Gotta love Florida. Gotta love it. Anything you do, here they come. They want my dry roasted peanuts too. They want everything.
Who do the morning Joe show, which I'm a fan of, they evidently, it was way more
gotta love it. All right, 30 minutes in. Let's see what we got here. Looking good. All right, we're almost to an hour. Let's see what we're looking like. Looking good. I don't think I had it hot enough for something here, but it's getting there now. Let's do a little flip. Ooh, it's hot. Maybe I didn't have it close enough to it. I don't know. I'll get this thing figured out. We're about ready. Next you'll see I'll have them inside, sauced up. Alright, I gotta be honest, I'm not impressed yet. I ended up putting them right over the burner in the middle just to crisp them up. And then now I've lost track of which ones have what seasoning on them, so yeah, I blew it. And to take an hour and the goddamn flies got in here, about 50 of them when I opened the door. So I'm not impressed so far, but we'll see. They're gonna taste good. Mmm. Oh wow. Mm-hmm. That must have the seasoning on it. That tastes freaking great. Mmm. Awesome flavor. Crispy skin? No. Didn't get the crispy skin. Didn't get the crispy skin at all. Could have done this on the regular grill. But we'll try it again until we get it right. Because as I've seen, everybody says it makes them crispy. Mmm. Oh, the flavor's there. Nice smoky flavor. Yum. That was a hickory I used, not oak. I don't know if I said oak earlier. Skin not crispy. First try. we'll have to keep trying till we get it right. Thanks for watching. Definitely try this sauce recipe. Both these. This is a good store-bought too. Alright, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you're not. And all that good stuff. And thank you. See you later. Peace. Alright, let's try round 2. I'm not going to blame the Vortex. I think frozen injected wings probably aren't going to be a good thing for that, and they weren't quite thawed out all the way. So I got some fresh ones I cut up and I seasoned with this. Even though I couldn't tell which ones were seasoned with it, I could taste them when I ate them last time, and it was really good seasoning, good stuff. So I seasoned all these with it right here. I'll show you. So I have another pack I seasoned with that again. And I got different charcoal. That charcoal I had was Kingsford, which has been sitting in my garage probably 4 years, which I don't know if that does anything, but it didn't seem to be hot enough. So I got the generic Walmart kind, and we'll see what that does. And I got a new grill too, so we're gonna try it again. So I finally found cherry in chunks, wood chunks. Awesome. I love cherry. Cherry's my favorite smoking wood. I could only find the chips before, but we got it now. Check it out. Blazing hot. The old cast iron grates. About ready to put these wings on here. So I left some with the little flap on there. And then half are chopped all the way off. The tips. I mean. They're all seasoned with the buffalo seasoning. All right, here's round 2. A little crispier for sure here. Much better. I'm not going to show you the sauce with the same ones I already did, but it's good. It was under an hour. I rotated. I flipped them like 3 times. I don't know if that helped. Well, I'm happy with it. Pretty good. Pretty good. Thanks for watching.